I'm stansal. I'm here for my recovery project. So, I have two questions here that I answered incorrectly. So, this is one, you can read it. And here's the other one, multiple choice equation. So, I'm going to do this quickly. Alright. Show your original mistake and explain what went wrong. Alright, so this is a tricky one you gave me. So I circled C, which is the incorrect option here. A was the correct option. So let's see my mistake here. So which of the following represents the equation y equals negative 1 over 4x minus 5 in standard form? So when it says standard form, I'm looking for some of these equations in standard form. So I thought it was this because it wasn't written in standard form. So here's my mistake here. So I chose this one, and then I'm gonna try and prove that it's this equation. Alright, so we keep it here. So we try and transform this into y equals mx plus b. Move this negative x over, that turns into positive, plus 20. Can divide. So it gives us y equals 1 over 4 x, and that'd be minus 5. So I could see that this is equivalent to this, but somehow it's incorrect. So the reason why this is incorrect is because I think because there's a negative x here, and I don't think you don't want it. So this is the correct option here because it doesn't have a negative x here. So yeah, on to the next one. A computer costs $720 new and is expected to be worth $200 after 5 years. What will it be after 2 years? So my mistake here is that everything is alright. It's just finding the slope. So here's how I found the slope. So to be worth $200 after 5 years. So I did this. 200 divided by 5 equals 40. So I thought it would be $40 a year. So each year would increase by 40, but that's not actually true. So to find the slope here, it's like this. 7 minus 200. Just like that. So that would be 520, 5. This would give us 104. So this is our slope. So we could plug it in. Y equals m is 1 over 4 x. And the y-intercept is 720 because a computer costs $720. So at the start it costs $720. Value after 3 years. So we could plug the 3 into the x. Y equals 104, 3 plus 720. So y equals 104. So 300, 4 times 3 for 12. 12 here plus 720. Y equals 8, 9, 10, 1, 0, 3, and 2. So this is the value after 3 years. $1,032. Alright. So I chose 2 questions, showed my mistake. Now solve each question correctly. Explain how to check the answer. So for this one, I think we just plug any number, let's say 6 years, right? And then we could plug that in. So where was our equation? Y equals 104 x 720. So this could be 6 here. And we just do the math. Y equals, hold on. Where's my phone at? Oh, here it is. Alright. 106 times, no, actually 104 times 6. 6 to 4, should be a plus here, plus 720. 720. That would give us $1,344. So I think that's how you check the answer. For this one, alright, so down here, this is the same down here. So let's try solve this. So this is already in y equals mx plus b. So we could have a y here equals 1/4 x. And that would be minus 5. So what I did here is I did that. Divide by both sides. Yeah, and to check my answer, I think we just reverse it. So we don't want a 4 here. So 4 times y. 4y equals minus 1x. That'd be minus 20. Equivalent. That's good. Alright, explain how to check the answer. No, actually, create one new similar problem for each corrected question. Alright, so here's another one. A car is worth 25 grand when new and is expected to be 10K after 5 years. What will it be worth after 2 years? So to find the slope, 25K minus 10K, 5, that'd be 15K, 5, and our slope, 15, 1, 2, 3, divide by 5. Our slope is 3,000, so y equals 3,000 x plus, okay, so start as 25 grand. So what will it be worth after 2 years? So y equals 3,000, plug 2 years into the x plus 25 grand. So that'd be 6,000 plus 2,500. Y equals 31, and that should be our value after 2 years. Alright, so here's what I did. Solve it completely with steps. Alright, so, oh yeah, we have one more here. I'll do it quick. So I'm not going to do multiple choice because it would take a long time. So write the equation y equals 3/5x minus 4 in standard form. So yeah, let's just write this in standard form. So we move this to the other side. Minus 3/5x plus y equals minus 4. And we're going to want to get rid of this negative here. And 3/5x minus y equals 4. So that should be our answer. Yeah. Alright. Which concept was the most difficult? I'd say it was the computer one because, you know, it's the wording, right? Or actually, yeah. What misunderstanding affected your performance? Yeah, same thing. It's like the wording and stuff. It's pretty confusing. So, yeah, that's the hardest thing for me. What strategy will you use next time? So, a cheat sheet in the test. So what I did is I collect my quizzes and just put the questions in my cheat sheet. So what I could have done next was get my pre-calculus 10 math book and then try to like write down all the questions. So yeah, so there was one question from the book, same thing like this. I didn't write it down, so yeah, that's my mistake. So yeah, that's it. How long has it been? 10 minutes? Alright. So yeah, thank you for watching and being patient. If you're watching here already, hope you have a good weekend, Miss Stansal. See you.